Hi, I'm Jason Matthews, owner of Matthews Painting Company in Warsaw, Indiana. We continue our tutorial videos that we show all of our new employees as we train them to be professional painters as well as train them on drywall repair. This is the second video of repairing a corner. This corner here many times is cracked out real badly, or the drywall paper tape has been lifting or is buckling, and maybe you see that in your own home. That would be something that you would need to cut out, put in a new piece of actual paper tape, and then start your drywall compound over that, which we started on video 1. Now we're going to go ahead and put our second coat here. Our tape is already here, covered with one coat, and we had used a 4-inch drywall knife. Now we're going to go ahead and go up to a 6-inch wide drywall knife. We already have a quick set joint compound mixed up here. It's a 45-minute joint compound. And I'm going to go ahead and come past my edge and lay my actual knife down so that I can get the compound off of the knife and over my first coat. Notice I'm not lifting up like this. That would take all of it off. I'm going to do that in just a minute. We'll go ahead and do both sides. Now, many times doing two sides is difficult for some folks, so you can do one side, let that dry, come back, do your second side. Now I'm going to start lifting my drywall knife up and actually taking a little bit off and coming right back into my pan with that. I'm going to get that edge there, come down one more time, and that's done for the second coat of drywall compound. I'm going to do the same thing here. Come down, get my edge off here, and finish it off that way. Do not worry about these ridges here. We will scrape those out before our third and final coat. For more information, you can call MatthewsPainting.com.